What are we stopping for? Roll it, roll it, roll it, roll it. Let's follow this lane right here. There you go. Pick it up. Pick it up. Pick it up.
Wait.
Pick it up. Pick it up. Pick it up. Lane change to the right. Blinker on. Check it, check it. Get it in there. Slow it down around this curve. Stay towards the right. Slow it. Stay towards the right. Towards the right. Gas it through. Pick it up. Pick it up. Center it out. Too far right. Too far right. Too far right. Wow. Keep it rolling. You're too nervous today. Keep it rolling. Let me get over it. Put that right blinker on. Check it, check it. Get it in there. Straighten it out. Kill the signal. Keep it rolling. Hey, right change to the right. Check it, check it. Get it in there. Keep it going, keep it going, keep it going. Keep going, keep going, keep going. There you go. Keep going, keep going. Keep going, keep going. We don't stop on the exit right. You gotta follow me. I got you. Stay in your lane, sweetie. Lane change to the right. Slow it down. We're gonna make it right up here. Make it right. Stay in your lane. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Just gas, girl. Lane change to the right. Keep it going. Turn it right at the next street. Put the right blinker on. Check it, check it.